Hi friends, welcome to Visava Food Channel. Today we are going to make rose ice cream. The ingredients which we are going to take are: from my terrace garden I have taken two big roses. I washed the rose properly. I removed the petal and I soaked it in the water for nearly 2 hours. So this water, we are not going to throw it. I will use it as an essence. I wanted the rose water, so I had soaked the rose petals in the water. Some petals I have kept here. This I will add in the ice cream. For the ice cream we need 3 slices of bread. The edges I have removed. Half cup of sugar, half cup of fresh cream, half cup of milk powder. Here I have taken 1 glass and plus 1 cup of milk. We will take the milk according to our need. This milk I have boiled already and now it is at the room temperature. Here 1 cup of condensed milk, few cashews and few tutti fruttis. And we are going to use rose syrup later on. Friends, after removing these petals, I will not throw this water. The full fragrance of rose has come into this water. It's very nice. So I will keep in the fridge in a small bottle. As and when required, I will use it as an essence. I have kept the vessel on the gas. I will add the rose petals. I will not add any water. The gas flame should be very low. Friends, I will add the sugar. Now we will mix it. Here the flame should be very low as this is a steel vessel. It may burn, so therefore we should be careful. I will cook it for 3 to 4 minutes till the petal becomes little soft in the sugar syrup. To stir it well. The color of the rose petal has changed. Friends, we have cooked the petal up to this stage. We cooked it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now I will put off the gas. Friends, now the rose petals are nicely cooked in the sugar syrup. Now we will add all the ingredients and we will grind it together. Now I am adding milk, half cup of milk powder, cream, this is fresh cream, now first I will add half cup of condensed milk because we have added sugar while cooking the rose. The condensed milk also has sugar in it. Now these bread slices. I will make crumbs and I will add because now we are going to grind it in a blender. I will check. We will add condensed milk. I want the ice cream little more sweet, so I am adding the condensed milk. So 1 cup of condensed milk we added. Sweetness you can adjust according to your taste. These cashews I will break like these pieces we will add. Here I have taken 8 to 9 cashews. This tutti frutti is little big size, so I will cut it. If required, we will add the remaining milk. Now we will grind this. Friends, now I will put this mixture in the blender. We are adding the caramelized rose petals which had settled in the bottom. Here I will add the remaining half cup of milk. So here total 1 glass and half cup of milk I have taken. Now we will blend it. We will wait for few seconds and then again we will grind. Now it's done. Now I will put the mixture in the bowl. Now I will cover the bowl with a plastic wrap and then we will keep in the freezer for 8 to 9 hours. Then our ice cream will be ready. Friends, now I will add the rose petals. Friends, I will cover it with a wrap so that ice should not form. Friends, I have covered the ice cream with a plastic wrap and then I am going to cover it with a lid also so that the ice will not form on the top of the ice cream. So I will freeze it for 8 to 9 hours. Then I have kept a lid on it. Now I will put in the freezer. After freezing it for 8 to 9 hours, I have removed the ice cream. Now let's check. Now I will remove the plastic wrap. Here you can see the ice is not formed on the ice cream. Our ice cream is ready. We will wait for 5 to 6 minutes and then we will cut our ice cream. You can cut the ice cream in any shape. We will wait for 5 minutes and then we will remove it in the plate. I have cut the ice cream. Now we will serve it. We will garnish it with cashews and tutti frutti. Friends, the ice cream is ready to eat. I will add little rose syrup on it. If you like my recipes, please like, share and subscribe to Visava Foods channel. Thank you and have a nice day.